Skylights or borrowed lights above interior doors are intended to allow more daylight to enter rooms without windows. Luckily, it's easy to replace skylights with an opaque panel so that you're no longer disturbed by unwanted light. In this short video, we're going to show you the best way to do this. To block off your skylight, you need the following: an HPL or Alupanel panel, tape measure, screwdriver. First, remove the glass above the door. Remove the left and right glazing beads first, using a flat screwdriver. Then pull the glass towards you so that the springs are pressed into the frame. This releases the top glazing bead, which is against the ceiling. Now, measure the original glass so you can order your custom panel. Measure not only the length and width, but also the thickness of the panel. As soon as you have received your custom plastic sheet, place the bottom glazing bar on the panel and position it at an angle in the frame so that the springs are pressed again. Then bring the panel to a perpendicular position and release it. Now, you can press the left and right glazing bars back into the frame. It's as easy as that. Do you want to order a custom plastic sheet, or do you need more DIY tips? Check the links below this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel.